In my previous video, one of them, I had 3 of these Axial FC bodies by happenstance. I traded one of them to my buddy at Holbrook RC for this early Broncos body from Proline. It's pretty cool looking. Early or late 60s, early 70s body. I needed to put some holes in it. I didn't have a body reamer. Went to one shop. They wanted $20 for one body reamer. Went to another shop, a little bit bigger one. It was $22 for body reamer, curved scissors, and straight scissors. Figured that was a pretty good deal. So I bought that. Picked up some paints to paint at least this one. That'll be my next project. Stay tuned for that, by the way. While I was there, because I have a fucking problem buying stuff, I went ahead and bought this mamma jamma here. Axial Wraith, the RTR version. I was pretty torn between the Wraith and the Bomber. The Bomber probably performs just a little bit better, but this one looked a little bit more scale, which I like because I like making videos. This one's still pretty fucking sweet though. 2.2 tires, pretty detailed interior. Got lights, waterproof, all that stuff. It's got to be waterproof. It's mine. Yeah, looks pretty rad. Let's get this sucker open. This is my first Axial too. It's cool. Tons of stickers. It looks like manufacturer's suggestion manual. Fucking shitload of parts. The rifle in there. 2 rifles, or a rifle and a shotgun. It's pretty rad. All sorts of shit in there. Transmitter, nothing fancy that I can tell anyhow. Cool though. Getting the bad boy out. Dun, 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 dun. Of course, I fucking opened it backwards. Check it out. That's sweet. Oh, fuck. Zip tied. Well, those scissors are fucking useless. Ta-da! Finally, god dang zip ties. Pretty rad. Well, that looks like just a sticker. The rest of this is printed though. Pretty snazzy. Pretty snazzy. Plastic links. It's kind of weak. No big deal. Can't wait to get this thing out though on the rocks. I don't even know how to take it apart. The servo is right on the axle, which I don't think is that cool. I think they make a kit to go to mount it to the chassis. It's probably worked better if it's mounted to the axle, but it don't look right. Not at all. But cool nonetheless. Interior. Let me get this thing charged up and we'll check it out. Alright, quick impressions. I did not like how what a pain in the ass it was to get to the underside. I had to take out 4 of these screws on each side. That'll get old pretty quick. Hopefully I don't have to get in there too much though. They had the battery cable routed through this here hole and then through here, which to me seems dumb. So I picked everything up, routed it underneath there. I had this Shorty Pack 2S battery already charged, so I'll just use that for now. It'll take the full stick though. I had some of these shorties from Viterra Ascender. Overall though, this thing's pretty cool. Let's see, flip it on. It's got a cool little switch here. I don't know what all these beeps and boops do yet. I'll have to read into that further. But headlights, tail lights, that's pretty rad. I think this one is quite a bit faster than my other two. Overall, pretty excited about this. It looks rad too. I don't know nothing about those stock servos, but if there's anything like the other two, I'll probably have to replace that soon. I might go all out on this. The other two I like for scale and you know, just making general videos. This one I think there is a shit ton of options for, and I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, I don't think this one fucks around too much. Pretty cool. Anyhow, I just wanted to do that for a, you know, unboxing. Not necessarily to show it off or to inform anybody. It's like 7 years old already. I ain't the first one to do that with a Wraith, not by a long shot. But I do like to show off my shit. Happy about that. If you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you get notifications. They don't show, or they don't share my channel that much. I just started this channel. My other channel, my ATV channel, Old Nasty 79. Hit that up too if you like ATVs and mud trucks and mud bogs and girls in bikinis and shit like that. That is my main channel. This I'm just starting up because I needed a different hobby. Or because I didn't want to flood that channel with a different hobby, I guess I should say. But yeah, I can't wait to get this thing out on the rocks and the trails. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe, hit the bell button. Let me know what you think. Bye.